Hi there, my name is Sophia and I'm here to help you navigate ClickUp. The first thing you need to know is that you can click on your profile avatar to jump between any of the workspaces you've created within your ClickUp account. You can also add a new workspace by clicking here. Just keep in mind that ClickUp is separated at the workspace level, so it's not possible to view or transfer information between workspaces. You can also reveal your spaces by clicking on this icon in the left sidebar. You can jump between spaces here and add a new space by clicking here. To hide your spaces bar, just click on the icon once again. Once you've selected a space, you'll be able to see any folders and lists that you've created in the space. You can add a new folder or list by clicking on the plus sign here. ClickUp also lets you get many different vantage points of your tasks. You can view one single list, an entire folder, a whole space, or you can click on this icon in the left sidebar to view everything across your entire workspace. By default, you'll see tasks assigned to everyone, but you can switch to Me mode to only see tasks that are assigned to you. Or you can open the People sidebar and choose one or multiple people to filter for. Thus far, we've been in List View, which is a required task view in ClickUp. There are tons of different ways you can play around with columns in List View. You can click on a column header to sort, or simply hide the column from your view. You can drag and drop columns around to change their order, and just click on the plus sign to show hidden columns, or create new custom fields from any of the options you see here. In addition to List View, you can add other task views by clicking on the plus sign at the top of your screen. These include board views, which are great for visualizing your tasks vertically. You can easily drag and drop tasks between columns, or group your tasks by different criteria by clicking here. You can even add a calendar view to visualize any start or due dates you've set for tasks and lists. You can drag and drop tasks around the calendar to change their due dates. And you can view unscheduled and overdue tasks by clicking here. Just drag and drop these tasks onto the calendar to schedule them. Lastly, you can also add a Gantt view. This is a perfect way to visualize timelines you've established for projects, tasks, and manage your overall time resources. Page views allow you to add additional resources alongside your tasks. You can add a new page view just by clicking on this plus sign. With an embed view, you can literally bring anything into your workplace to save time and reduce context switching. With embed view, you can add apps and websites alongside your tasks, and even do things like edit a Google Sheet directly in ClickUp. You can even add a conversation view to have a chat with your teammates outside of a task. And you can add a doc view. Doc views allow you to create wikis and knowledge bases anywhere in ClickUp. Each doc is flexible, shareable, and can contain an unlimited number of pages. Click on the ellipses next to a page view to select from different view options. For example, you can make it the default view for everyone in your workplace, make it a personal view so only you can see it, and even set permissions or add the view as a favorite. You can add both task and page views as favorites, and access your favorites by clicking on the star menu at the top of your screen. This enables you to quickly jump between different favorited views so you can come back to one at any time. Anytime that you're in a task view and you make specific changes like applying grouping or sorting, you have the option to save the changes to the layout. You can auto-save any changes if you like, which will save the changes for everyone in your workplace. And just like in page views, you can click on the ellipses next to a task view and choose from different options, like always using me mode, making this the default view for everyone in your workplace, making it a personal view, or protecting the layout. Protecting a view layout will prevent anyone from saving changes until it's unprotected by a person who has permissions to do so. Another really handy feature that you can enable in the lower right corner is the Notepad. This is the perfect spot to keep track of any random brainstorming ideas and add rich editing like headers, checklists, and bullet point lists. You can even do cool things like print a note or quickly convert it into a task so it becomes a concrete action item. Additionally, don't forget to check out your notifications under the bell icon. This is where you're going to get any notifications for tasks that you are watching. You can clear a notification by clicking on the bell icon. You can even stop watching a task by clicking on the eye. Or go over to your cleared tab to see any past notifications that have already been cleared. You can set up granular notifications by clicking on your settings. Each person in your workplace can choose to set up these notifications via email, mobile, or browser, so they're completely customized to each individual's needs. Lastly, don't forget to check out Inbox. This is your place to see what you're working on now, next, what you've recently done, and any reminders that you've delegated to other people in your workplace. You can click on a person's avatar anywhere in the app to navigate to that person's profile, which will give you perspective on what they're working on now, next, what they've completed, and any unscheduled items that they still have to work on. Those are some getting started tips to help you start navigating ClickUp, but if you have any other questions, just let us know at help@clickup.com.